I once took the last subway home after working late. The carriage was almost empty. Just me and one other passenger seated at the far end. He looked normal enough. Office attire, head slightly bowed. At the next station, no one got on, no one got off. But when the doors closed, I felt the temperature shift. The air turned noticeably colder. I glanced up. The man at the far end was now sitting directly opposite me. I didn't see him move. I assumed I had zoned out. I looked down at my phone, trying not to stare. The reflection on the black screen showed him leaning forward slightly. When I looked up again, he was still sitting upright, normal. A few stations later, the train announcement malfunctioned. Instead of the next station name, there was only static. The lights flickered once. In the reflection of the window beside me, I saw him standing behind my seat. But when I turned around, the carriage was empty. Completely empty. The train slowed into the next station. Doors open. No one exited. I checked the time on my phone. 3 minutes had passed. The last train ride usually takes 25. That night it took 28. I've never taken the last train again.